Hey guys, welcome back to Fixing It, and today we're going to change the sway bar links on this 2016 Mazda CX-5. Alright guys, check out the car, take off the wheel, and this is your sway bar link right here. It's being held down by a 14mm nut up top and one on the bottom. This one's separated. So once you take these off, if the shaft spins on you, you could hold it with a 5mm hex socket like this one, okay? So that's spinning. The problem is they put this stupid thing on here and I can't even put a wrench on it to take it off. So I might have to hold it from the back with a vice grip, okay? All right, finally came off. All right. So I took it out and put a vice grip on it. That's it. That's off. In case you're wondering why the wood, it's to keep the bar from flexing up and down. So I can just take this off now. See, otherwise it does that. All right, guys, this is the new part. Comes with grease fittings at both ends. See that? And this is the part number. It's the same part number for both left and right. Okay. Let's throw this on. All right, guys, this is a 15mm, and you could hold this outside piece with an 18 wrench. So I just put this in. I snug this up a little more when I do the top. All right, guys, the top, we need to lift up the suspension to get it to fit. So I have another jack down here, and I'm just gonna lift it to where I need it. All right, there you go. That's it. All you have to do is put the wheel back on and you're all done. These are the hardest part of this job, is taking them off, because they always break, or you know, if you can't get them off, cut them off, okay? That's it. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.